Hey guys, Mike here from moto-mule.com. Today's video is about a giant Hot Wheels track that the boys and I built. We had a ton of fun building this project and playing with it. I hope you enjoy it half as much as we do. Let's go take a look. Usually I find myself working with metal, so this being a woodworking project made it especially fun. My favorite part was building the starting gun for this Hot Wheels track. A simple pull of the trigger sends the cars off on their race.
That's pretty cool, Dad, but we want it longer.
You heard it, folks. They want it longer. Another session on the router table and a trip to the 3 closest Walmart stores to buy them out of all the Hot Wheels track they had in stock. And here you have it, a 30-foot long, 4-lane wide Hot Wheels race track. Well, what'd you think? 4-lane, 30-foot long Hot Wheels track. I sure wish I would have had something like that when I was a kid. Anyway, the kids sure enjoyed this project. Did you have fun playing with the Hot Wheels GoPro car?
Yeah. I only made one video because I kept on forgetting I was not turning it on.
Oh.
That was the funny part.
Yeah. Lyle, did you like the Hot Wheels track that we built?
Yeah.
Yeah. What did you like about it?
How the Hot Wheels tracks cars jumped into the camera.
Yeah, you liked when they hit the camera?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you liked this video, please press the like button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please press the subscribe button. If you've got ideas on projects we could do in the future, please leave those in the comments below. All right, until next time, stay active and have fun. Bye.